Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered about cheating on the Safe Exam browser? How to bypass Safe Exam browser? Can anyone bypass Safe Exam browser? Safe Exam browser tips and tricks? In this video, I will answer all questions related to cheating Safe Exam browser, like how to cheat on Safe Exam browser in 2025. You'll see original clips of live exam bypass cheating. Before going to the details of these questions, let's see what Safe Exam browser is and how it works. Safe Exam browser is a web browser designed to monitor online proctor exams. It establishes a controlled surveillance environment by restricting access to all sources of cheating. In this era of advanced technology, conventional methods of cheating are outdated and are never safe. These methods were replaced with virtual machines, and the VM worked for a year, but now it's outdated after security updates in Safe Exam browser. I'm going to explain the only safe and guaranteed method, which works and is safe. This method is called the technical expert method, in which a technician installs custom software to bypass Safe Exam browser. And cheating on Safe Exam browser becomes super easy with this method. In this method, the student just sits in front of the camera like the student is taking an exam, while the exam helper is connected with the student remotely. In 2025, Safe Exam browser can only be bypassed by technical expert method, which is safe only when done by a technician. This is the safest and most secure way to beat or get around the Safe Exam browser. Don't miss the opportunity and fill out our exam help request form in the description to get help in your proctored exam and secure A or B grade of your choice. The best thing about my services is that I don't take any upfront payment, so you only pay after your exam is completed successfully.